I know, because England always win this, so... But
yesterday.
Oh, no, yesterday was England-Wales, but soon we play you, I think.
Okay, what about, what was your feeling about this weekend and before the first GP? You seem ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. I really like this track, and today was good preparation for the GP, just because it's not wet. It was bumpy also from the very first morning. It was really bumpy, so it's good practice for me. And I don't really like racing with the 450s because it's hard for the start with us, and then we have to race really hard the whole race to pass these guys. But it's good practice, so at the end of the day I'm happy with how I rode today, and yeah, I really enjoyed myself.
Voilà, évidemment.